Welcome to Mending and Making. My name is Jo, and I have a really cool project for you today. Behind me is a train table that we bought for our son a few years ago when he was really into trains. He's not so much anymore. He's obsessed with Legos now. To get more use out of this table, I decided to convert it into a Lego working station. I think it's going to be a really cool project. Let's get started.
First, let's start by removing the train tracks and trains off the table. This is a pretty inexpensive project. All you need is a few supplies. You'll need some Lego base plates. You will also need a cutting surface, a straight edge, sticky back Velcro, an X-Acto knife, and scissors. Our train table has a reversible top. I'm flipping over one side for the Lego table surface. Lay out the base plate on the surface. You might have to trim a plate in order for it to fit. Count the rows that need to be cut off. Use a straight edge and X-Acto knife to score the plastic. You might have to do a few passes, then break it apart. I've chosen to use Velcro to attach the base plates to the table, so it's not permanent and can be removed later if needed. Cut the Velcro into small squares. Peel off the Velcro backing and place the loop side on the bottom corners of the plates. Using the base plates as a guide, I then attached the hook side of the Velcro to the table surface. Then all you need to do is stick them on the table. Make sure the plates line up correctly. I used a Lego block across two plates to adjust the placement. I found these stackable part storage bins at my local hardware store. They're perfect for organizing his blocks. Now for the hard part, picking up all my son's blocks and separating them into bins. Whew, finished. I think it looks great. And now for the kid test. I think he likes it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a full list of projects I'm excited to share with you. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. See you next time.